What's up guys, what's up beaches, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Lynzkie, and for today's video, we're gonna open this one guys. These are the skincare that I've got from Oregano. So I just got my facial earlier and I got these products, so we're gonna open it. I'll try to check kung bakit. Look.
Wow!
Alright. So, these are pricey. Yung mga products nito is so pricey. Itong dalawang ito, this is Oregano Rich and Hydrating Day Cream, and this is also Oregano Manuka Honey Peel. So these two are cost 10,000 pesos guys. 10,000 pesos, imagine that. But these products are good for 1 year already. So, magagamit mo na siya ng 1 year. So, hindi ka na, well, aside from other skincare that you're gonna use, itong 10,000 pesos na. Oh my god. Na skincare. So, stay tuned guys. If you're interested, just keep on watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on your next video. So, we're gonna open this now. I'll start this one. Alright, so when you open the box, it comes with this small whatever. Parang ano siya, brochure or what. There's mga items sa loob. So these are different kinds of ano pala, different kinds of products na meron sila. I just woke up guys, and so we're gonna open it na. So these are here, and then this, so you're gonna put it here. This is how it looks like. And then when you open this, ito siya. So magpa-puff ka lang, one puff, and then you have to put it here. So this is good for 1 year guys. So one puff lang daw every day. One puff every day. So this is aqua. Yung ingredient niya is aqua. So that means that it's water-based. It's water-based. Certified organic. And it's made in Australia. So it's made in Australia guys, if you can see that. So this is the Oregano Rich and Hydrating Day Cream. So you have to use this every day for 1 year. So So, ikaw na bahala kung gaano kalaki yung mukha mo. Basta you have to make it 1 year kasi this is good for 1 year daw. Since it's pricey. Yung price nito is 7,600 kapag binili mo siya doon sa clinic na Origami. And this is the second product that I've got. So this is called Manuka Honey Peel. Alright. And we will open it right now. Okay, so when you open the box, there's a brochure, a small brochure like what's on the other box din. And then there's a scapula inside. So this is what you're gonna use to scoop the Manuka honey peel and put it here on your face. Kasi you can't use your hands. I don't know, but the instruction is do not use your hands. So you have to use this spatula to get the cream and then put it here on your face. And this is also good for 1 year. You can only use this once a week. So it's only once a week. So this is the instruction on how you can use it. Alright. So you have to cleanse your face, of course, and then put this, apply the Manuka honey peel using this spatula. Massage your face and neck in a circular motion, and then rinse it, and then put your moisturizer or serum after. So let's take a look. And then so here there's another box. Okay, so you can, so when you remove, here's what's inside. Wow! And then you have to get this one right now. So here's how it's look like. So I don't know if you can see that. It's Origami. This is how it looks like. And then when you open it, okay, so of course, meron siyang, so how, this is how it looks like. So the Manuka honey peel, ilang grams to? How many grams is this? This is 50 ml, 50 ml, and this is good for 1 year because you're gonna be using this for just once a week. Of course, it's up to you on how you can use it. So you also need to measure only one scoop every application so that it would be on 1 year. Kasi this is 58 scoops 58 scoops. And for 1 year, there's only how many weeks? 47? Yeah. So that's it. So guys, so this is the products that I've got from Origami. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply this. I'm gonna take a picture of my face before, and then after 2 weeks we'll check if there's an improvement. So right now, so I started applying this Manuka honey peel yesterday because I was in the clinic, so they applied me one. So I will apply this again next week, and then another week, and after 2 weeks of application, I will go back to clinic to check if there's an improvement to September because I need to also do a follow-up facial. Alright, so I'm gonna give you an update once we've tried everything. But this one, this hydrating day cream. I'm gonna use this every day, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so stay tuned, and please wait for the update. So thank you so much guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my next video. I apologize, I just woke up, and I think this is, I don't really have time filming, so this is really the good time. So I really appreciate you guys watching my videos, and thank you so much. We don't have travel vlogs right now, since it's still locked down. So we'll still need to, do something like this. Thank you so much guys for watching again, and I love you all. Mwah. Bye.